Hello again, folks. Mitch from Citywide Supply and Service. Just following up on a boiler we installed yesterday, Weil McClain LGB Series 600,000 BTU low pressure steam. All the piping done. We're skimming the boiler down and adding some chemical treatment. And we're going to get ready to fire her up for the first time. New steam vents were installed. All the near boiler piping was corrected. And we're good for operation. This boiler is controlling a 24-unit apartment building. And we're almost ready to fire her up.